everyone, welcome to Ask Nutrition is Deepa's whole food plant-based no oil cooking videos, and today I'm going to get right into the importance of meal planning and show you how to make this ginger garlic fresh turmeric paste cubes. And meal planning is extremely important to make sure that you are staying on the wagon to have flavorful meals if you're trying to lose weight or lower your blood glucose or get rid of the blood pressure and cholesterol levels. So I have done a couple of videos on meal planning, the importance of meal planning, how your plate should look. Make sure you watch my video on how to make a basic creamy curry, how to make creamy curry base, those cubes, and this recipe of this creamy ginger garlic turmeric paste cubes is also similar, because the important thing to remember here is that having these kind of so to speak paste and curry bases and seasoning mixes ready is very important, because that is what is going to make your everyday cooking less than 30 minutes. Instead of making ginger garlic paste every day or as you need it, you can make it once and then freeze it. So that's exactly what we are going to do. So I have ingredients are very simple. Ginger and garlic equal amount. 1/4 of that is fresh turmeric. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can skip it, or you can add powdered turmeric. And the secret ingredient here is some soaked pumpkin seeds. Soaked pumpkin seeds are going to give these cubes or the paste some body, as well as provide the nutrients. The nutritional properties of ginger and garlic are remarkable. Ginger helps with vasodilation, which means it makes your blood vessels dilate, expand. And if you are having migraines, garlic, oh my goodness, anti-cancerous, antibacterial, antivirus, anti-cholesterolemia, which means it has power to reduce your cholesterol when eaten in right format, which is unprocessed. I'm not talking about garlic bread, I'm not talking about infusing garlic in oil, but eating it as in its whole form or pure form. So basically all of this is going to go into this blender, and then I'm going to so once it is blended, this is how how fine it needs to be. Now the flavor here is so amazing, just the right blend of ginger and garlic, and it has a little bit of yellow tinge because of the powerful turmeric. As you know, the health benefits of turmeric are numerous, and just adding fresh turmeric just takes it to the next level. Now one thing I forgot to mention, I always freeze my ginger. Freezing actually locks the flavor and reduces the food waste, because you are not throwing the extra ginger that you are not using. So once this paste is done, I am just going to add it to these ice cube trays. It usually takes 1/4, one cube is approximately 1/4 of a teaspoon, so just perfect for any recipe. And meal planning not only saves time, it also saves money and energy. We all are short of time, so the easier your meal planning is, the better it is. Now once this is done, I am going to I'm going to rinse my blender and use that water to make my next recipe. So all in all, it's a win-win situation, and this is going to freeze beautifully. So instead of buying already frozen ginger garlic cubes, or I mean, you can have them as your plan B, but try to make it fresh organic garlic and ginger is easily available these days. I have also done a video on how to select right kind of garlic, because not all garlic is because not all the garlic available in the market is the right one. There is a lot of bad garlic that is available, which is cheap but really is not good for us. So make sure you watch my video on how to buy garlic. So once your ice cube tray is filled with this ginger, garlic, turmeric paste, you can just put the lid on and freeze it, and it really freezes in just couple of hours. And like I said, this paste, you can use it as part of a soup or a salad dressing, even a curry base. You can add it to make a very fragrant broth. So this is a very all-purpose ginger, garlic, turmeric, creamy paste recipe. So this is a very useful creamy ginger, garlic, turmeric paste recipe. Make sure you have it ready. Make sure you are meal planning your next meals. You should be at least 2 meals ahead in terms of meal planning. You should know at breakfast time what you're going to eat for lunch and dinner. When you are eating your lunch or dinner, you should know what you're going to eat for next day's breakfast and lunch. I usually pack my dinner as my lunch and keep that ready. So basically I'm just cooking once. So make sure to watch my meal planning videos as well as my creamy base curry recipe video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.